Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about AI16Z USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, not around, but 1 billion supply, just a little bit more, and total supply and the maximum supply and the circular supply already in the market. So no new VAS and shadow, no unlocks, nothing. So now it's around 236 million market capitalization. So $1 again, it's a 1 billion market cap. You have to be real with expectation, because a lot of people when they see some hype around some token, they just blindly start talking about billions, like I don't know about it, like hundreds, like a penny. But guys, a big difference between the million and the billion. Of course, in general, the market capitalization doesn't mean it's exactly the 236 million cash inside the token. So it's just a value based on that formula, right? So it's if you imagine the table, the poker table with the cash, it doesn't mean we are sit around this coin, play around, trade this around token, and on the table like 236 million, and the winner can get some profit. No, guys, it just we can say it just in hypothetical market capitalization. That's why this token can be 1 billion capitalization, this token can be 2 billion, 5 billion, 7 billion. Of course, it's possible, but we have to compare with other tokens, right, to identify the potential gains. So, for example, you have to understand what I mean. For example, the Papa, you remember the hype around the Papa, the narrative, the trend, the meta, it hit like 9 billion market capitalization. The dog we've had hit like 4 billion market capitalization. And now it was at AI16Z, it was in January 2025, the highest point 2.5 billion, even more, because $2.5 highest price. And now it's 235 million market capitalization. So yes, if and when I truly believe we will bounce to $1, it's going to be the 1 billion market cap. And I'm not sure we're going to hit the new all-time high, because you have to understand there is no new liquidity now in the market, and not all tokens will pump again to new all-time high. So you have to understand that this token already performed pretty good one. I don't think so. This is the end of cycle, for all tokens. No, but I believe we will see the altcoin season. We will see one more meme coin season. I think we will see a hype around the AI once again, because you can see the United States works on AI, the China works on AI, and basically just on the narrative, the tokens in AI sector will pump, not because of tech, just because of narrative, just because of hype of AI, and the AI16Z can also follow the trend. So I want to show you the realistic targets, and of course you can open the chart. For example, on the Bybit, the chart looks like this one. Everything looks so bad, right? You can open the chart on on KuCoin. Wow, it's an amazing, right? So December 2024, what a spike, $26. So based on this spike, we should hit at least 50%, so $15, 14 billion, 15 billion market capitalization. I don't think so. BitGet. Even the BitGet, which listed on lowest point, always listed lowest point, almost invalidate the initiation accumulation pump model. But we have to analyze the oldest chart, and I found it on Gate.io. So this one, November 2024. November, in December, this token listed on the KuCoin. That's why, technically, what do we got? We got this liquidity pool. So technically, this is like support. We're going back to the monthly gaps. There's no monthly gaps. Weekly time frame, no monthly gap, no weekly gaps, only this one is bullish. This one. We closed the 50%, done. So technically, no makes sense to come back to that gap, now. Yes, I think we will recover back again, like I told you, to $1. But after that sweep or without that sweep, we can't know the time. Next step, we can see this like liquidity pool. So technically we got a range. The best case scenario, guys, for us who want to trade this token, I don't care about this one. I can't trade every single token. If we dump lower than 11 cents and form deviation, this one. Next step is going to be the deviation at the top. This one. So, and yes, it can be in theory, the move like this one. So this is a weekly. Next week, we can also drop it here, sweep the liquidity pool, and slowly but surely going higher. And around here, around $2.50, everybody will start screaming, we go into the moon again. Now, everybody will scream and we go into hell, right? Because everything over. So collapse. It's a scam. No, guys, it's just a basic asset. Don't fall in love in tokens. Don't take seriously all of that tokens. If we use the FIB, you remember I use always the FIB with the 27 level. So for example, if we use the FIB like support, I can identify this like a main support because we get a reaction, or I can use this like a reaction. All right, let's check. So we got a top here. If this is a support, we can see we dump it on the 27th level. If this is a support, we trade it inside 27 level, but dump it lower. So it means, yes, technically, anyway, $1.56, it's a good zone like equilibrium for bounce. But with deviation or without, at this current moment, we can't know. Also, what I told you all the time, take a look, this is a daily time frame, this is a compression. And we start forming in November, December 2024, and only in February 2025, we come back and trade that compression. The same story will be with the bearish compression, this one compression. So with this drop or without, or from this current prices, at least we're gonna test, I don't know, $1, $1.50. Because of this compression, we should come back and trade. So the best case scenario is something like this one and going higher to form deviation. For the top deviation, if we will form that deviation at the top, we have to pay attention for the time. So let's say if around here, it's going to be the May in the next 2 months, and May 2025, most likely we will see the summer correction down. And if it will be the autumn 2025, this can be the potential end of cycle for this socket. So it just will be the global range. So now let's check this token with my customer said, what whales do now with this one? So we formed the biggest divergence now on ADZ on a daily time frame. You have to understand that this is how the divergence looks like, because here is a low like 91 cents, and now we are in accumulation down again, but at 27 cents. Technically, guys, based on my experience, we can form the three waves, like this one, then bounce, and third one. In this case, for us, for traders, for investors who want to invest in this token, it's a bad case scenario on a daily because we just waste the time. So yes, unfortunately, if we will form the third one, wave down, and the third wave down after bounce to the bottom, we just waste the time. But anyway, after that, we already formed the divergence, star forming, we can bounce. So if this token is not a pure scam, because we can't know. Why I say that? Because, for example, now we can trade at 23 cents, but after a few months, believe it or not, but some exchanges, or maybe all exchanges, can delist this token. Yes, because you remember that stories when the KuCoin listed a lot of tokens in 2024. After that, they sent a message, email, oh, sorry, but we have to inform you, we're going to delist the 40 tokens in one day. It's craziness. Why you even listed this one? Direction, we at the bottom, and no signal for accumulation. Market mood, we are in we are in a capitulation zone. Weaker time frame, we're still in F area. So this is what I don't like. So yes, we can drop lower. Trade on money power. Take a look. The money power, no data. Trade on the daily here. Money outflow, sell, bounce, sell, drop, buy back, buy back, buy back, buy back. No main signal to buy. Let's add alert for a signal to buy. Trade on, buy. And here's a money inflow, money inflow. This is how it looks like. So I believe we can drop lower and after that bounce higher. But let's say we drop to, I don't know, to 9 cents. So here, 2,500% gains. It's going to be the insane rally if we will hit the deviation at the top. Take profit, guys. Here, weekly, I guess, no data. Yes, daily time frame. We trade on the fair value. So when we trade on the fair value, it's always looks like bearish one, but in general, it's a bullish signal because we trade here, and sooner or later, with that drop or without that drop, I repeat, we will bounce to the fundamental value of the token, buy line, take profit, and exit line. So believe you or not. So just a matter of time. On 12 time frame, like you can see, we are now retested the fundamental value of the token, and all lines are dynamic. So yes, we can slowly but surely going down. I don't know, 1, let's say 2, 3, 4, maybe in 2 days, maybe in a week. We can't know. Now, you know what I don't like on this market now? Now everything depends on one person, only about Trump. So what he posts, the market reacts. He say that, the market reacts. He say this, the market reacts. It's kind of weird, you know. It's not unhealthy, the market. Definitely. So perfect scenario, of course, if we hold the line here and go and climb it up to the top break-even structure, to the deviation at the top. The worst case scenario if we drop like this one. So guys, all targets and my idea about this token I explained it to you. And if you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.